Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is one that has been on the minds of many. How many magnitudes can a house withstand during an earthquake? Earthquakes are one of the most devastating natural disasters, and understanding how to protect your home is crucial. So, let's dive into the science behind earthquakes and what it takes for a house to withstand them. To understand how many magnitudes a house can withstand, we first need to understand what magnitudes are and how they're measured. Earthquakes are measured on the Richter scale, and each magnitude level represents a significant increase in energy release. For example, a magnitude 7 earthquake releases 10 times more energy than a magnitude 6 earthquake. Earthquakes occur when tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface move and release energy. This energy is what causes the ground to shake, and the magnitude of the earthquake is determined by how much energy is released. A house that can withstand an earthquake is built to withstand the ground movement, which is determined by the magnitude of the earthquake. Building standards for earthquakes vary from country to country, but most are based on the local seismic activity and the expected intensity of earthquakes. In general, buildings are constructed to withstand earthquakes up to a certain magnitude. The exact magnitude depends on the building's location and the materials used in construction. To better understand how many magnitudes a house can withstand, let's look at a few real-life examples. In the 2010 Haiti earthquake, many homes were destroyed despite the fact that the earthquake was only a magnitude 7. Despite the great destruction in the 2010 Haiti earthquake, the earthquake in Japan had a magnitude of 9.0, but it did not have a devastating effect like 2010 Haiti earthquake. The loss of life is increasing in the earthquakes that took place in Turkey in the very recent past. 9 hours apart and with magnitudes of 7.8 and 7.5 on the Richter scale, the quakes rocked Turkey and Syria and were the region's strongest in nearly a century. The World Health Organization put the number of people affected by the disaster at 23 million. At least 6,000 buildings collapsed, many with residents still inside them. We stand by Turkey and Syria against the earthquake disaster that deeply affected many states. So, there you have it. The answer to how many magnitudes a house can withstand is dependent on the building standards and materials used in construction. But, the most important thing to remember is that preparedness is key. Make sure you know the building standards in your area and how to protect yourself and your family during an earthquake. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.